Porsche Vision Gran Turismo is a 1000 horsepower electric concept. And you'll be able to race it from your living room. Joel STOCKSDALE link, autoblog.com. Vehicles most likely to hit 300,000 miles. Cars most likely to have major powertrain problems. Top 10 brands with the lowest average repair cost to fix a check engine light. Top 10 brands least likely to flash a check engine light. The least reliable cars in America. 10 best new car deals, August 2021. Porsche has finally joined a long list of automakers to create its own concept car specifically for the Gran Turismo series of games. Simply named Vision Gran Turismo, like many of the other OEM-designed concepts, it's a blending of the automaker's design sensibilities with an eye to the future and impressively high performance. The Porsche certainly has a number of familiar design elements. The body is extremely clean, curvy and organic. There aren't any extraneous wings and scoops. The nose is relatively grille-free with headlights sporting the quad LED running lights, and the rear has the thin full-width taillights that feature prominently on so many Porsche models. But there are some unique changes. The headlights are wide and rectangular, and they're mounted extremely low in the nose. The fenders are hyper-exaggerated and tall relative to the cabin, too. Speaking of the cabin, it's accessed via a forward hinged glass canopy. It's a very bare place featuring carbon fiber and titanium anywhere there aren't other vegan materials. In front of the driver is a transparent hologram instrument display. It looks like a more futuristic take on the Taycan's curved instrument screen. Though the Vision Gran Turismo is just a concept, it can be driven in the game, so it does need some specifications. Porsche didn't disappoint. It's rated at 1,100 horsepower normally, and for brief overboost periods it can make 1,274 horsepower. This comes from an electric powertrain with all-wheel drive. Porsche says it can hit 62 miles per hour in 2.1 seconds and 124 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. Power is supplied by an 87 kWh battery pack with an estimated WLTP range of 311 miles. These actually seem like pretty realistic specifications, since Porsche has built a real-life electric race car with nearly as much power and battery capacity. Of course, being a concept car for a video game, there are no plans for the Vision Gran Turismo to come to production. We wouldn't be surprised if we see some of its styling cues appear in future Porsches, though. And we have no doubt that Porsche is working on a real two-door electric sports coupe. But unlike many concept cars, this is one you'll be able to drive virtually, though only in Gran Turismo 7. The game goes on sale March 4, 2022, for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5.